What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've made a video. It's kind of been, it's been extremely crappy here. Actually, we got 10 inches of snow the other day. It was fantastic. Didn't have power for 2 days. And it's rainy right now. So, but today we're changing the spark plugs in Brendan's GT500.
You pull the intake off if you want. So go ahead. You just need to pull the, loosen that first clamp.
This one?
Yep.
I feel like I should take the off. I have too much metal on it.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I don't want to scratch your car.
That'd be nice.
Hey, at least I thought about it before I did it.
Appreciate it. Then smack them over with a plug.
That's my bad. It was just
a lip.
the plastic lip.
At least it's not carbon anymore.
Yep.
Yeah, I already broke that one.
I feel like we've all broken something carbon.
Yeah. There's also a plug too.
This one?
Yeah. This is what happens when you said, "Oh, your car's so much easier to do plugs on."
Yep, no, only looked at that side because I was like, it's so hard on that side of my car. Actually, it's just hard on the back side.
And it's actually, well, it's still easy no matter what. Working on this is a lot easier after I got rid of the firewall and the shape of bay.
Right.
There's a lot more room in it.
These don't bolt down?
The valve covers, or the coil covers, that's what those are.
Oh.
They have little rubber grommets in the center of the coil,
Oh, okay.
and the whole plate itself holds it in.
Huh.
Which actually, this rubber actually was off on that one.
Oh, yeah, it kind of stuck to the thing, so it peeled off as I was taking it off.
Just say, I don't normally crush a gasket like that.
Oh, that's nice. It's a good thing I got little hands.
Yes, that sucks. That's why I gave it to you. You can struggle with that side. I'm already done. Learning experience for you.
Great.
Spark plugs on Terminator and GT500. Well, Terminator's the same thing, but the blower.
That one's dust.
The Terminator the blower comes this way.
Oh. That one's really dusty.
It's probably corrosion inside the.
The only one.
Let's take a look in the cylinder.
It's the back one.
Yeah, the back, the left one.
Yeah.
Yeah, always. I don't know why, but that one always has like some type of corrosion or fucking debris in it every single time. Yeah, see, it has, it's like moisture builds up or something inside that back cylinder. I don't know why.
Huh.
I don't know if it's because the motor gets hot and it builds moisture, but you can see there's a little bit of, there's like a pool of water in the bottom of it.
Oh, what the heck?
It does it every time. I don't know why. I asked BJ about it a long time ago, years ago, and he said, "Yep, normal."
Normal.
Yeah, I don't know. It has something to do with like moisture, and the coil doesn't allow it to escape out the back or some shit. It's fucking weird. Hold on, I gotta pull that out before you try to crack it.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want water down there.
No, definitely not.
The only thing you could hear in these clips was the air compressor, and I wasn't about to make you guys suffer through that. Brendan used an air compressor to remove all moisture and debris from that back cylinder there before we pulled the spark plug out and replaced it with a new one, just to ensure that nothing got down in there.
Watch the top of this plug will be probably corroded. That's why another reason why I change my spark plugs all the time on these. No, I'm honestly surprised. Normally the top right here is always more corroded than these ones. Always that back left one.
I feel like this part itself is cleaner than the rest. Like this one's discolored, and then this one's just like it has like a, see the metal has a pinkish hue to it.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's done it ever since the day I got the car, because the original plugs I took out of this car, I didn't think I was getting that one out. It was that corroded. Like I was like, you couldn't even see the head of it. Like the hex of the size of the heck, technically this plug. It looked like it was round. I was like, no way. I had to sit there and I cleaned it all out before I could get it all in there. I was blowing it out. It's just, you know, that came out of it. I was like, what the And I texted my original tuner and I was like, what's up with this? And he's like, it's pretty common for those sometimes. He goes, I don't know why, but they just do it.
That's so weird.
Yep.
I see why you change your plug so often.
Why?
Because of that.
Well, that and also just the Torco. I don't run the Torco brand anymore. I used to run the VP brand, but.
I mean, I should honestly change my plugs more than I do because I run E85.
I mean, me personally, I would do new spark plugs. Like, I mean, I just do them every season just cause. I mean, they sit all winter, and how much power we make into it's just.
Yeah.
So if a spark plug fails, detonates so hard it takes out a motor. It's like $4 spark plug for that cylinder motor. You know, I mean, half the time, yeah, normally you have
$4
spark plugs don't really fail. I mean, normally you have a bad coil pack or something that would fail before that.
Yeah.
But it's cheap maintenance in my opinion. Right. I've had spark plugs fail. I mean, it's not like it's uncommon.
Yeah. Mosquito.
I mean, I wouldn't want anything to happen to this motor, but this thing doesn't really technically owe me anything. It's gone through a really, really, really hard life.
That owes me a lot.
This thing doesn't.
The bottom end owes me nothing.
There you go. But, I mean, this thing's gone through the first big power car I ever really started to build. 3 TX2Ks.
Jesus.
And 5 years of every time I drive it on limiter, doing whatever, beating the out of it. So, I mean, I wouldn't want anything to happen to it, but
yeah,
things happen, you know.
How well do these hold up to horsepower? I mean, what are they supposed to hold up to?
650 to 7. They say.
What do you run on pump?
Makes almost 8 on pump.
Big.
Actually, no, it makes over 8. Make 804 on pump.
Oh my god. Not even a safe fuel.
That's why I run the additive too.
That's fair.
We only have like 21 degrees of time in it. Which factory, I think they come with like 17.
Oh.
17 or 18.
How tight?
Not that tight. Just as long as they're snug.
Check them.
Go ahead. Sure, you're good. Let's see. Yeah, same thing. Where is this one?
Red. Right there.
Yeah, let's get I mean, if I did the bottom end in this and did the heads and did everything, and then just put the smaller pulley I have on this on the E85, this would make probably 11, 12 safely on E. Yeah.
We had a lot of time left in the day, so we ended up going outside and cleaning up the outside of the trailer a little bit more. It was raining. We didn't really care that much. Basically, Brendan just wanted to make it look a little bit better than it already did on the outside. It was a little rough. It was owned by landscapers before, so they didn't treat it very nicely.
as always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.